Hello and welcome back to the Residual Royalty Academy. This is a channel where I show you how to go from nothing, that's zero, to at least $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, $10,000 a month in passive income by publishing low and no content books on KDP. Now in this video, we're not going to be talking about creating books. We're going to be talking about the best website to track your sales as your books start to sell. So the main two that I've been using, and I just wanted to compare them for you, are GetBookReport.com and also Datasprout. Now obviously you do have the dashboard and obviously you do have the royalties estimator, which are both very useful. But if you want a paid tool, something that's going to give you some more insights into your royalties than on the KDP platform alone, then you want to check out these two tools. Now this video, I'm going to tell you which I think is the best based on these 6 factors. It shouldn't be a long video, and I'm just going to give you basically my preferred choice at the end of the video. So I'm just going to grab this pen here. We're going to make it in green. Now loading speed. If you are just doing high content books, which means you maybe only have 10, 50 different books, then Datasprout is going to be fine. But if you're doing low content, and like me, you have 1,000, 2,000, maybe 500 books at least, then Datasprout is really, really slow to load, and sometimes it takes 10, 15 seconds even just to see your royalties. So the winner on this one is definitely GetBookReport.com. But like I say, if you only have a small number of books, then Datasprout is going to be okay. But for the purposes of this, and this is a low content channel, then Datasprout is pretty slow. So the winner here is obviously BookReport.com. Now, royalty forecasts. So the reason I do like Datasprout is that it gives you a forecasted royalty based on your last 30 days or based on how the current month is going. And you don't get this feature at all on BookReport. So what it basically does is it takes your last 30 days average royalty and it just multiplies it by how many days there are in the month to give you an estimated income. And it does also have some other cool features, as you can see down here. Like this one, it's showing my December royalties compared to my January royalties, which, as you can see, December was way higher because that was the peak of Q4, and January, the royalties are way down compared to December. So that is actually a point for Datasprout because it just has some cool information that BookReport doesn't have. Now, display and aesthetics. Now, personally, I would say BookReport. Datasprout, like I say, it does have these cool features, but BookReport is a little bit easier to use and it just looks a little bit better, I think. So I'm just going to go for BookReport on this one. So niche analysis and insights. Now this is another point that goes to GetBookReport.com because it just has a few more little graphs and stuff that you can see. Like on this one, you can filter by earnings, by book, by author. So you can really quickly see which of your pen names are selling best or which books are selling best. And it just kind of has some more options in terms of seeing what is going well. So there you can see earnings by marketplace, details by book, and everything is just kind of lightning quick on BookReport. And you never have to worry about waiting. Let's talk about the accuracy with KDP reports. So if I go on my dashboard, you can see it says $34.91 so far today. Now BookReport is never quite accurate. I think it uses different currency exchange rates, and Datasprout is usually actually a lot closer. And especially when you do your monthly total, Datasprout is usually bang on, and BookReport is, maybe a few percent out here and there. For example, there in Datasprout, you can see 34.90 is basically the same as this one, 34.91, but on BookReport it's saying 33.42. So it's actually a point for Datasprout right there. Now let's talk about the price. So both of these are free, completely free to use until you get to $1,000 per month in royalties or $1,000 in your last 30 days. And after that, BookReport is $19. Let me do this, 19, and Datasprout is $10. So taking all of this into consideration, which one would I choose if I could only choose one? Now, for most of the year round, I would actually say BookReport, GetBookReport.com. I would use this one year round. It's pretty faultless and it gives you a lot of insights into which books are selling, which helps you determine which future books to make. But what I would say is that Datasprout during Q4 is really nice because of that forecasting feature. It just makes it really easy to see how much you're going to make per month. And also, like I say, if you only have a small number of books, then Datasprout is definitely a good one to look at. So if I could only choose one, I would choose BookReport, but I do recommend checking out Datasprout as well and just seeing if you prefer it. So give them both a try and let me know which one you prefer down in the comments if you've already used both of them. And I will see you in the next video. Remember, videos are every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time you tune in to the Residual Royalty Academy.
They wanna count me out before